I can't be in this beautiful library and not take a moment to thank our teachers, to thank our staff, to thank these incredible frontline workers that have had some of the toughest jobs throughout the pandemic. So I want to acknowledge them and remind everybody that anything we can do to alleviate the stress on these incredible frontline workers and alleviate the stress on our parents, on our families that are facing so many challenges as the kids return from winter break, that we should do this. And I want to thank Spring ISD again for their leadership since day one.
We will take these kids, we will put them into our schools to try and support our families as best as possible. And we're continuing to work through that process, and tomorrow, Judge mentioned that we have a site that's opening up with another partnership, extended partnership with Harris County at Planet Ford. So just another opportunity for us to support our campuses and our community. We're also asking that our staff and students continue to practice the processes that we have in place and the procedures of masking, of keeping the hygiene levels to the levels that we currently have them, and following all protocols. If you're sick, please stay home. And these tests give us another opportunity and another tool that if you feel ill or you were exposed in close contact, you have another tool to make sure that you're starting the process to go get a PCR test.